you gotta pop the tire first. So what we're gonna do is put it right here, and we're just gonna pop it. Right here. Then pushes it all the way down. And you can turn it around 180 degrees. Push the same pedal. Around, repeat the process again. That's part one of taking the tire off the rim.
After you broke the first, you have to take the tire, put it right here. Press this foot pedal, lock it in place. Bring this over, lock this on top of the beam, and secure it. Then, rod, put it right under here. Bring it up on top. Rotate the tire. That's how you get the top down.
Alright, second part of taking the tire off, you have to take the bottom off. Basically, it's the same thing as taking the top off. You have to put the rod underneath the bottom of the tire and lift it up over this rod. Tire, and it's all the way up.
Alright, now. Alright, we're gonna put the tire back on. First thing you gotta do is start from the bottom. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the bottom part right here under the lip, and you're gonna rotate it until it comes on. Just like this. Alright, took care of the bottom half. Now we're gonna do the top. So what you're gonna do is
Alright, to put the top back on the rim, same as putting the bottom on, just you have to get it wet, just like this. Once you have it wet, like this. Once the tire is fully on, press the foot pedal, release the tire, and that's how you put the tire on and off the rim.